Hey, it's Pat from EAS Landscaping. So here you're going to watch a rooftop sod installation. It is a three-story townhouse in the Fishtown section of Philadelphia. Look at those clouds, by the way, just amazing. Fairly hot, third week in June, pushing around 90, pretty high dew point. All of the material went up and down 4 flights of stairs inside the house. So the cleaning was probably harder than the actual work. So all of that vegetation that was left up there by the developers, and it looks very nice, but it was kind of riddled with weeds. So that was all removed, and we left the very rich layer of sort of humus and topsoil there, added a little bit more and put the sod on top. So it's not going to be a super deep-rooted sod install, but it should be totally fine for their purposes. We told the owners they have to totally make sure that they water during this critical, 2 to 3 week period when the sod starts to take. And anyway, so that's what we did, and it looks great. Owners want us to do add a pergola and a privacy fence that will affix sort of to the sides at some point down the road. But yeah, it was an interesting project. We kind of looked into renting a boom to get everything up, but in the end, just sort of did some manpower to get the whole thing completed. So if you're interested in some sod on your rooftop, you can let us know. We also do artificial grass installations and many other things as well. So, hey, have a great day, great night, wherever you are, and have a great summer.